Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an animation in Canva. So let's get started. First, open Canva and create a new design. For animations, you can choose any element, video or photo you want. You can also animate text and icons too. So once you have selected that, you're going to simply click on that element and then click on animate button in the top toolbar. You'll see different animation styles such as fade, slide, rise, pop, bounce. Click on any style to apply it instantly. After applying animation, you can adjust speed, how fast it plays, direction, left, right, up, down, and also timing such as when it will appear. This helps you create smooth, professional animations. If you want to animate everything at once, click on the page like any empty area and then click animate. Choose page animations like pan, fade, drift, photo zoom. Once you're done, click share and then click download. Make sure you choose MP4 video, which is best for social media. And if you want short animations, you can choose GIF. And that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.